Hello everyone, welcome to my virtual class. This class is for class 12 and I am Haruchandra Gaur from Chandanagar Sri Aurobindo Vidya Mandir. In previous class, we discussed the introductory part of indefinite integral. In previous section, we discussed integrals of those functions which were readily obtained from derivatives of some functions. It was based on inspection, that is, on such a function f whose derivative is small f and derivative of fx is fx, then integration fx dx is equals to fx plus c. Now this fx is find out using inspection. However, this method, which depends on inspection, is not very suitable for many functions. Hence, we need to develop additional techniques or methods for finding the integrals by reducing them into a standard form. Prominent among them are method based on. Now today we are discuss method of integration. Basically, there are three methods. Method of integration. Number one, integration by substitution. Integration by sub integration by substitution. Second method, integration using partial fraction. Integration using partial fraction. And third method, integration by parts. Today we will discuss only first method, integration by substitution. Here the integral is fx dx. This is the given integral. Now the transform is independent variable. X is the independent variable x to t. By substituting x equals to dt, the independent variable x change to independent variable t. Now substitute x equals to gt. Now differentiating both sides with respect to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to t. This is now dx dt. And now derivative of g. Now this is g dash t. So which implies dx equals to g dash t into dt. So therefore the given integral change to the given integral is I, which change to f of x is gt, g of t, and dx change to g dash t and dt. Using this method, we do some integration. First we do integration tan x dx. What is the value of integration tan x dx? Now tan x equals to, right, we know tan x is equal to sin x by cos x into dx. Let cos x equals to theta. Let cos x equals to t. Therefore, minus of Sin x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x dx equals to dt. So therefore the integration changed to minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So sin x dx is equal to minus dt divided by cos x is t minus dt by t. Now this is equals to minus integration dt by t. Now integration dt by t, minus is common, ln mod t plus c, where c is an integration constant. Now this equals to minus, so now ln 1 by t mod of 1 by t, ln mod of 1 by t, this is log 1 minus log t. Log 1 value is 0, so 0 minus log t, this is minus log t, so ln mod of 1 by t plus c. So now this is equal to, ln means log with base e, ln 1 by t. What is t? T is cos x, so now plus c. So this is ln 1 by cos is sec x plus c. So therefore integration tan x dx is equal to ln mod sec x plus c. Very important formula, remember it. Integration tan x dx is equal to ln mod sec x plus c. Second formula, integration cot x dx. Integration cot x dx equals to ln mod sin x plus c. Now this is the homework. Remember it also. Integration cot x dx is equal to ln mod sin x plus c. This is the number 2. Now number 3, integration sec x dx. Now integration sec x dx is ln mod sec x plus tan x plus c. Now prove this result. Integration sec x dx equals to ln mod sec x plus tan x plus c. Now prove this result. At first, now integration sec x dx equals to integration sec x dx equals to integration sec x into sec x plus tan x into sec x plus tan x dx. Numerator and denominator multiplied by sec x plus tan x. Now let sec x plus tan x equals to t. So therefore derivative of sec x, now derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x plus derivative of tan x sec square x dx equals to dt, or now sec x is common, sec x into sec x, from sec square x sec x is common, so sec x plus tan x into dx equal to dt. So therefore the given integral, integration sec x dx is equals to this, and sec x into sec x plus tan x dx is dt. So dt by sec x plus tan x, sec x plus tan x is t, the independent variable x changed to independent variable t. Now integration dt by t, this is ln mod t plus c. Now putting the value of t, now value of t is sec x plus tan x, sec x plus tan x plus c. C is an integration constant. So therefore integration sec x dx is equal to ln sec x plus tan x plus c. This is number 3. And number 4 is integration cosec x dx. What is the value of integration cosec x dx? Now integration cosec x dx is ln mod cosec x minus cot x plus c. Now prove this result. Integration cosec x dx equals to write cosec x into cosec x minus cot x divided by cosec x minus cot x. No, this is equal to right integration cosec x into cosec x plus cot x divided by cosec x plus cot x dx. Now let cosec x plus cot x equals to t. Now derivative of cosec x minus cosec x into cot x minus derivative of cot x minus cosec square x minus cosec square x dx equals to dt, which implies minus cosec x is common, so now this is equal to cosec x plus cot x dx equals to dt. So therefore the given integration cosec x dx is equal to cosec x into cosec x plus cot x dx, this is minus dt divided by cosec x plus cot x, and cosec x plus cot x is t, so minus dt by t. So now this is equal to minus integration dt by t. Now this is equal to minus ln mod t plus c, where c is an integration constant. Now this is equals to this is equals to ln minus of ln t, this is ln mod of 1 by t plus c. Now this is equal to ln 1 by, and value of t is cosec x plus cot x, cosec x plus cot x plus c. Now 1 means cosec square x minus cot square x. We know cosec square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. So a square minus b square formula, cosec x plus cot x into cosec x minus cot x. So cosec x plus cot x is cancel both numerator and denominator. So this is equal to ln cosec x minus cot x plus c. Cosec x plus cot x is cancel both numerator and denominator. So ln cosec x minus cot x is remain. So this is ln cosec x minus cot x plus c, proved. Next, we find the integration sin x by sin of x plus a dx. Now let x plus a equal to t. So therefore dx equals to dt, and x is equal to t minus a. So therefore the given integral is changed to sin x is t minus a divided by sin t, and dx changed to dt. Now this is equal to integration sin of a minus b is formula sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now this is sin t cos a minus cos t sin a divided by sin t dt. Now this is equals to, now split divided by sin t. So this is sin t is cancelled, this is integration only cos a minus cos t by sin t is cot t into sin a. Now integration fx minus dx, this is equal to integration fx dx minus integration dx. So now this is integration cos a into dt minus integration sin a into 40 dt. Now cos a is common, sorry, cos a is constant. So now cos a integration dt minus sin a is constant, integration 40 dt. Now this is equals to cos a and integration dt. This is a indefinite integral, so this is t plus c1. C1 is an integration constant minus sin a. Now integration 40 dt, integration 40 dt is ln mod sin t plus c2. C2 is another integration constant. So now this is equal to cos a into t. T is x plus a, x plus a. So write x plus a into cos a, x plus a into cos a plus c1 cos a minus sin a into ln mod sin t. T is x plus a plus a minus a minus c2 into sin a. Now c1 cos a minus c2 sin a, this is a constant, so right, this is equal to x plus a into cos a minus sin a into ln mod sin x plus a plus c, where c equals to c1 cos a minus c2 sin a. Next, we find integration dx by 1 plus tan x. Now this is equal to integration dx, and tan x is equal to, write 1 plus tan x is sin x by cos x. Now this is equals to cos x is LCM, so cos x dx into cos x plus sin x. Now this equals to integration cos x plus sin x. Now derivative of sin x is cos x minus sin x. Now this is plus sin x minus sin x is cancelled, and cos x plus cos x 2 cos x, so divided by 2. So half into this means cos x dx divided by cos x plus sin x dx. Now split half into integration 1 plus cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x dx. Now the split the integration half into integration dx plus half into integration cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x into dx. So now this is equal to half into x plus c1. C1 is the integration constant for this indefinite integral, plus half into, and for the second indefinite integral we putting cos x plus sin x equals to t, which implies minus derivative of cos x is minus sin x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, plus derivative of sin x is cos x into dx equal to dt. So this change to dt, the half into integration dt by t. Now this is equal to half x plus c1 plus half ln t plus another constant c2, integration constant. So now this is half x plus half ln t is sin x plus cos x, sorry, cos x plus sin x, same জিনিস, cos x plus sin x plus c1 plus c2 is another constant, so write c1 plus c2 equal to c. Now this is the answer. Next, integration using trigonometric identities. Find the integration. Now example, find the integration sin 2x into cos 3x, sin 2x into cos 3x dx. Now this is equals to write half into 2 into sin 2x cos 3x dx. Now 2 sin a cos b formula. In class 11, we read the formula 2 sin a cos b. Now 2 sin a cos b formula is sin of a plus b plus sin a minus b. 2 sin a cos b is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Cos a sin b is cancelled. So now this is equal to write half into using this formula. Now this is sin a plus b. Sin a plus b is 2x plus 3x is 5x plus sin 2x minus 3x is minus x into dx. Now this is equals to half into integration sin 5x dx minus half into sin of minus x is minus sin x, so this is minus sin, and half into minus sin, this is minus half sin x dx. Now for this 5x is equal to t, let 5x, for the first integral we let 5x equals to t, which implies 5 into dx equals to dt. So dx is equal to dt by 5. So now this is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 into sin t dt. Dx is equal to dt by 5 and minus half, and integration sin x dx is plus minus cos x, so minus 1 is a plus cos x plus integration is constant is c1. C1 is integration constant. So now this is equal to 1 by 10 minus cos t plus c2 plus half cos x plus c1. Now this is equals to into c minus, sorry, 1 by 2 plus sin 1 by 2 cos x minus 1 by 10 cos t is 5x plus c1 plus c2 is another constant, right, c. This is the answer. Now integration of some particular function, integration dx by x square minus a square. This formula is very important. Integration dx by x square minus a square. So now this is equal to 1 by 2a ln mod x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. C is an integration constant. Formula number 2, integration dx by a square minus x square. Now this is equal to 1 by 2a ln a plus x by a minus x plus c. The sign of a, here sign of a is minus, so x minus a by x plus a, and sign of a is plus, so a plus x by a minus x. Formula number 3, integration dx by a square plus x square. Now this is equals to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus integration constant, indefinite integral, so this is an integration constant. Formula number 4, integration dx by square root a square minus x square. Integration dx by square root a square minus x square. Now this is equals to sin inverse x by a plus c. Formula number 5, integration dx by square root x square plus minus a square. So write only plus x square plus a square square root. Now this is equals to ln mod x plus square root x square plus a square plus c. C is an integration constant. And formula number 6, integration dx by square root dx by square root x square minus a square. So now this is equal to ln x plus square root x square minus a square plus c. C is an integration constant. Now we prove one or two result, and remaining results are the homework. So first we write we prove number 6 and number 2. 2 and 6 do ahead, and 1, 3, 4, 5 are homework. Now 1, 3, 4 and 5 are homework. 1, 3, 4, 5 are homework. Okay, first we prove number 2. And now dx by integration a square minus x square. So now only the integral on the integrand 1 by a square minus x square. Now a square minus x square, this is the form of a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, a plus x into a minus x. Now this is 1. Now 1 equal to write a plus x plus a minus x. So plus minus x is cancelled. So this is 2a. So therefore divided by 1 by 2a. Now split them, 1 by 2a. Now this is equals to a plus 1 by a minus x. A plus x is cancelled, plus a minus x is cancelled. So this is 1 by a plus x. So therefore this integration dx by a square minus x square equals to integration this is equal to 1 by 2a 1 by a minus x plus 1 by a plus x to dx. Now this is 1 by 2a is constant is outside the integration, so integration dx by a minus x plus integration dx by a plus x. Now this is equals to 1 by 2a ln mod a minus x now this is integration dx by a minus x, so this is minus ln a minus x, the sign of x is minus, so this is minus ln mod a minus x plus ln mod a plus x. And indefinite integral, there is a constant c1 and there is a constant c2, so c1 plus c2 is another constant, right? Capital C. So now this is equals to 1 by 2a ln mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. Proved. 1 by 2a ln a plus x by a minus x plus c. Next we prove integration dx by square root x square minus x square is equal to ln mod x plus square root x square minus x square plus c. Now we prove this result. For this, let x equals to a sec theta, which implies dx equals to a, and derivative of sec theta is sec theta tan theta to d theta. So therefore the given integral is changed to dx changed to a sec theta tan theta d theta whole divided by square root x is a sec theta. So now a square sec square theta, a square is common, sec square theta minus 1. So now this is equals to a sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. So this is square root of a square tan square theta is a tan theta. So a tan theta is cancelled, numerator and denominator. So only sec theta into d theta. Now integration sec theta d theta, integration sec theta d theta is ln mod sec theta plus tan theta plus c. Prove earlier. Integration sec theta, sorry, d theta. Integration sec theta d theta is ln sec theta plus tan theta plus c. Now this is equal to ln, and the value of sec theta is ax by a plus value of tan theta. Now sec theta is x by a, so value of tan theta is square root sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. So tan theta equals to square root tan theta equals to square root sec square theta minus 1. Apply this. Tan theta equal to square root sec square theta minus 1. So sec theta is, from this sec theta is x by a. So now this is x square by a square minus 1 plus c. Now this is equals to ln x by a. Now a square is LCM, so square root of a square, this is 1 by a square root x square minus a square plus c. So now again a is LCM, so now this is equals to ln mod a is LCM x plus square root a square x square minus a square plus c. So the formula of log m minus log n, so this is log a. Now first write log mod x, sorry, log means ln x plus square root x square minus a square plus minus ln a plus c. Minus ln a plus c is a constant, so write this is another constant. So this is equal to ln x plus square root x square minus a square. Proved. Okay, prove the result, and the remaining results are the homework. Okay, thank you.